This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So, the first order of business, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition method. That's a very convenient way to unlock the screen of your device. In order to do that, you will need to open settings, then go for the passwords and security, tap at the fingerprint unlock. But first, if you do not have any regular screen lock method set, you will need to enable one. You can either go for pattern, PIN, or password, whatever method you like more. I'll go with visual pattern myself. Then set whatever password you opted for. And after it was set, you can start enrolling the fingerprint, which is being very easily done by laying and lifting your fingertip onto the sensor that is located right over here underneath the screen until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be successfully scanned. As you can see, my fingerprint was successfully added, so let's test it out. So as you can see, it works very swiftly, it is very reliable, somewhat precise, and obviously will not react to or recognize other fingerprints. So it is also very secure. The next option I wanted to share you can find at the display category of settings. It is called the refresh rate, and there are two hard values you can choose from, either 60 or 120 Hz. Long story short, as you can see by this very useful preview, the high value will get you much smoother visual appeal of your interface, and animations will be way smoother, but at the same time it will drain more power. And if you would like to conserve the battery or you have insufficient power left, you will probably want to set it to 60 Hz, but if you are not concerned about having to charge your device at all, you can avoid sacrificing the better visuals and set this value to be 120, or you can also set this option or function to the default value, which basically will make it so that the system will automatically switch the screen refresh rate within 60 and 120 Hz in accordance with whatever situation that you are in terms of power, app usage, and whatever. The next option I wanted to demonstrate you can find at the Always on Display and Lock Screen category, and that's the Always on Display itself. So in here you can change your display preferences, set some theme, quite a few of pre-loaded visuals that you can go for, but you can always set create the custom theme with your custom picture that will be displayed. In here you can change the text color if needed, change the clock positioning, and what items are displayed. Then do not forget to apply the changes, and that's how my Always On Display looks like. Alrighty, the next cool feature is accessible from the additional settings category of general settings app. It is called the heart rate, and it allows you to use your fingerprint sensor not only for reading the fingerprint but also to measure your pulse or heart rate. So in order to do that, simply lay your finger onto the scanner for 15 seconds, let the system do its magic and measure your pulse, and after the 15 seconds pass, it will provide you with the result of how many BPMs you have. It's a very cool feature for those who do not have any kind of smartwatch or smart band or any other external device that is capable of measuring your heart rate. So here you go. And fifth and final option I wanted to share with you guys. Is it fifth? Yep. It is the memory extension feature that you can find at the same additional settings category. This feature allows you to improve the performance by creating, or rather allocating, a few gigabytes of internal storage to serve as random access memory. So simply open the memory extension page, tap at the gigabytes amount that you are ready to sacrifice from your phone memory and transfer them to RAM, and then reboot your device in order for those changes to be correctly applied. And after the phone gets restarted, you'll get additional random access memory, which will significantly improve the system performance overall, will allow you to keep a lot of simultaneously opened apps without losing any performance or without slowing your system down, and some other cool performance pros. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.